Welcome back to another episode of the Ranger CNC build. In this episode, we're going to be cutting some of the parts. Breaking my phone. So if you're not aware of what the Ranger CNC is, it is a DIY plywood CNC. And you order the parts kit from us, and we send that out, and then you supply some additional pieces of wood and all the hardware and such, and you put it together. You can either build a 2x4, a 4x4, or the 5x4 machine like we're building here. All right, it's time to put on the linear rails. Remember before we did mark them so we know what side is up and which side left to right they are. So I have mine right here, and I've gone ahead and I've pre-drilled all these holes with 5/32 drill bit for the number 8 wood screws that go through here. Those are 1.5 inches long going in there, and everything should line up. Remember, the holes on these things might not be exactly symmetrical side to side. I should have shown you because they are different from this and the other side. Like they were cut off at a different spot. It's not by much, but it could make a difference if you're pre-drilling. Yeah, anyway, go ahead and get them assembled and put on, and we'll move on to the other side and do the other side too. Now it's going to be very tight because this table is exactly like where it needs to be for this piece of rail. And so if you need to, you may find if it's too tight, like if you cut the side piece just a little short, you might have to take this front piece off and just face screw it through here so that you can get the linear rail in there. So just something that you might have to look out for. For me, it was really tight, but it wasn't so tight that it wouldn't go in. So it works. All right, I'm going to get the other side done and call it a day. One last thing about these rails as they go on. Yeah, don't forget to put on the bearing blocks before you put it on here, because again, you don't have a way to get them on once you put the rail into place. So I've already taken the screws out. I just got to put them back on because, yep, forgot to put them on. In the next episode, we're going to be working on the gantry and everything else going along with it. So we're going to start cutting down some of this other material. Until then, take care.